If you are not able to log in on Facebook and getting an error like an unexpected error occurred, please try logging in again. Then you could not be able to log in to Facebook app on both Android or iOS devices. Don't worry, we have a solution for this problem. In this video, we will tell you how to fix this Facebook login error. First of all, we have to understand there may be multiple reasons for this error. This may occur due to a bug or glitch. This may occur due to too many login attempts by you or someone else. Or Facebook servers may be down and you will be getting this error. Sometime a Facebook update may be the reason of this Facebook login error. So what's the solution? Okay, let's move to the solutions. First of all, you need to verify whether Facebook is down or not. To check this, open your browser and search Facebook down detector. Now click on this first result and see there are Facebook outages reported in the last 24 hours, but these are very less. If this graph is not red, then there is no Facebook outage. So the Facebook is working perfectly. So now we are moving to the next solution. The next solution is clear Facebook cache. To do this, go to settings, open apps, go to Facebook, go to storage and click on clear cache and clear data. After this, you would be able to log into Facebook. If this method doesn't work, you have to go to another method, and that method is update Facebook. For updating Facebook, you have to go to Play Store and search for Facebook. Now if there is an update available, click on update button. If there is no update available, leave it as it is. One thing you can do to get the updates, go to Facebook, click on it, click on this I button, then go to app details in store, click on this gear icon and turn this on. Now you will get all updates from Facebook automatically when you are on your Wi-Fi connection. Hopefully you would be able to log into Facebook after this method. If this method also not working for you, go to your Chrome browser and search for Facebook older versions. Now go to this first result and look for older versions of Facebook. You can install any of these, but don't go too much behind. And after installing any older version, you could be able to log into your Facebook account. If this method doesn't work for you, there is one more method which may work for you, and that is cloning your Facebook app. Go to Play Store and search for Parallel app. Install this app, open this app, allow, and now click on Facebook icon. Allow again. Now this is another Facebook app on your phone, and here on this app you can log into your account. So enter your phone number and password and login. So guys, by following these methods you can log into your Facebook account again. If any of these methods work for you, please comment below and tell us which method work fine for you. For more informative videos, please subscribe to Robonic, and you can also follow us on our website robonic.com.